Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to send a group text message on VIVO V29 Lite. Firstly, go into the messages. Now tap on the start chat in the bottom right corner, create group, select the contacts that you would like to add to your group. You can also just type in the phone number or tap on the dial here to display, to just wait. I have it here. Right, now tap on next. You can create a group name if you would like to, but I'm going to skip this part for now. And now we can just send the message, and all of the replies are going to be handled in individual conversations. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.